Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning how to say Shaddah huruf in how to stop on it and how to say these letters in continuation. So before saying these words, I wanted to explain a little for you. Whenever you are stopping at the Shaddah huruf, you have to create number. And number is to raise your voice a little, but sometimes the number is not inactive. It's not active. Um, when there are noon and meme. If you find noon and meme with tashdid and you have to stop on these letters, these two letters, only these two letters, then you will not create number. What you will do? Yes, you will create gunna. You will create gunna to stop at these two letters. When these are with tashdid, and you will have to stop on these letters, then you will not create gunna. Like you will not create gunna. And when there are qalqala huruf qalqala, and which are these? These are kutubu jaddin. Yes, qalqala huruf. And huruf qalqala, when you will find them, like kutubu jaddin, right? Kutubu jaddin are the, sorry, my writing is like this when you are writing on the computer. Okay, kutubu jaddin are the kutubu jaddin, sorry, kutubu jaddin are five letters which are called huruf qalqala. Whenever these are with tashdid, and you are stopping on it, you will give waqf, you will stop on it, then you will not create qalqala. Oh, sorry, then you will not create number. You will not create number. You will not say with a number. When there are these two letters with tashdid, you will not activate number. When qalqala huruf are with tashdid and you are stopping at them, then you are not creating number. Okay, these are with waqf too. Waqf. Okay, this condition is with waqf too. So if there are noon or meme with tashdid or qalqala huruf with tashdid and you are stopping and then on them, then you are not applying number. So these are the two conditions of not applying number. Okay, one condition and two conditions. Otherwise, whenever you are stopping at the, so this is one whole topic. And the other thing is, when you are creating number, whenever you are stopping at the tashdid huruf, any other letters other than these letters, whenever these are with tashdid, you will you will stop on it, then you will apply number. This is the one condition, and whenever the condition will come, I will explain it. So this is the one condition, and the other condition is whenever waw and ya are with tashdid, whether you will stop on it or whether you will continue the tilawa, you will apply number on that. So these are different from this first category because any letter with tashdid, you are applying number when they are with waqf. Here, you are applying in any case, whether they are on with waqf or without waqf. Okay. So inshallah, I'll keep on explaining every step if it will come in my lesson. Okay. So this is a qalqala huruf. So we will write capital Q at the top of the letters which are qalqala huruf. Huruf qalqala. Okay. So these are qalqala huruf. So what we will do, we will not apply never on it. What we will do, yes, we will apply qalqala. And qalqala, how you will apply? Okay, this is the thing I will write over here. You will, there are two, if you are saying abba, yes, so there are ab, abba, yes, abba. So there are two bars. Okay, one bar is ab with sakin, with sukoon, and the other is ba. Okay, this is under this tashdid with fatha. Yes, there are one is with sukoon and the other is with fatha. These are two bars. Whenever there is tashdid, it's understood that there are two twin letters under this tashdid. Like if it is on ba, then there are two bars. If it is this shadda is on jim, then there are two jims. So with every letter, whenever you will find with shadda, then there are two letters are under this tashdid. So one is the first one is with sakoon and the other one is with the haraka, whatever haraka are with them. Okay. So you are creating qalqala when there is waqf. Okay. I'm talking about waqf or over here. Otherwise, how will you say abba? This is in continuation. Ab, you will stop at the first, and for fatha, you will give fatha. Ba, no complication whatsoever. But when you are giving waqf, how will you will pronounce it? Look, you learned then whenever there are huruf al-qalqala are with sukoon, you are giving them, you are applying qalqala. Yes. So here you find it, but you will not apply qalqala over here. No, you will apply qalqala when you are stopping at the shadda huruf of qalqala and with qalqala letters, then you will apply qalqala at the last letter. Yes, because you are giving back on. Here, what you will do here, you will give shad, um, a shadda. Shadda. Shadda means you will close the makhraj very tightly. Ab, and then ba, ab, ba. Sorry. How will you stop? Ab, ab. Okay. So ab, ab. You stopped for on the first sakoon ba with sakoon, and then you applied qalqala at the last ba. B, ab. Then the second one, abbi. This is in continuation. How will you say when you stop it? Ab, abbu, ab. So you are not applying nabar, but you are applying qalqala. Here, these are the ta is not among noon and meme and not among qalqala huruf. So yes, there will be nabar when you will stop, because we learned then whenever any letter is with the tashdid and you will stop, you will give waqf at the end, then you will create nabar. So this condition matched here. Okay. So in continuation, it's very simple. Atta, atta. Now, how will you stop? At. You will give hums, and at you will give hums. Actually, in here, the hums is more active. At, when you are attaching this hamza with the, here, this is the place of number, and here you are applying hums at the end. Hums. Okay. At, at the, at, at to, at the end you are giving hums because ta is with sukoon. And when you are applying and joining this hamza with the, you are applying number. At, as, so this tha is not among noon and meen and not among kutubujatin. So you will apply a number. And where, what is the place when you apply a number? When you are joining the letter before it, whichever letter is, we don't, whichever letter is this can be hamza, this can be ba, this can be any letter, but when the that letter will be joined with the tashdeed letter and you will give hums, when you will give stop at the end, then you will give number. As the, here you are applying rakhawa. Yes, when you are saying in continuation, as the, as, at the end you will give rakhawa, and here the number will be applied. As, the, as, to, as. When you are joining this hamza with that, this is the place where you are applying number when you are giving waqf. As, and at the end you will give rafawa. Now comes qalqala letter. Yes, this is a qalqala letter. So what you will do, you will not apply number over here. You will give qalqala. Ajja, ajj. First, you will hold the first jim with sukoon, and the second jim will get qalqala. Ajj, ajji, ajj, ajju, ajj. Now, this is not among nun and mim and qalqa huruf, so you will apply number over here. Aha, ah, ahi, ah, ahu, ah. Now, the kha, akho, akh, akhi, akh, akhu, akh. And at the end, you will give the kha over here and here and here. Now, this is qalqala huruf, so you will give qalqala, not number. Adda, add, addi, add, addu, add. Now, here you'll create number. Adda, adz, adzi, adz, adzu, adz. Arra, Ar, arri. Yes, you are applying number. Number is here. When you are joining this letter with this, the tashdid harf where you are giving back, this, the middle time will get number. Ar, arra, with continuation, you are not applying number, but when you are giving back, yes. Arra, ar, arri, ar, arru, arru. Then, yes, they will get a number here when you will give back. Remember, this is related to the waqf. Most of them. Only one condition. When inshallah you will learn more, then that doesn't apply in waqf. But other than that, all the conditions are related to the waqf. Number is related to the waqf. Az, az. At the end, you will give Safi, you will give Rakhawa. Azzi, az, azzu, az, assa, as, as, assi, as. There is Rakhawa, there is Safi, the scene is light, and then you're giving number in between here. There are so many things going on. Yes, alhamdulillah, you have learned them before. Inshallah, you will be able to apply. Assi, as, assu, as, ashu, asha, ash, ashi, ash, ashu, ash. Okay. So remember all these rules. Inshallah, I will. So I'm deleting all my notes. So let me go down. Okay. So now we are taking page number 42, and it has same rules. So I will cover it in one recording. As, as. So this is heavy. You will. Oh, sorry. So this is a heavy letter. You will make it heavy, and you will give Safir, and you will create number when you will stop at the end. Okay. So as, as, asli, as, asu, as, and dot will get istatala. It will get rakhawa, istatala, and it will be heavy. Yes, and it will you will apply number here when you will join this letter with the tashdid letter when you will give waqf. Al, al, li, lu, then to is heavy. Yes, it will get kalkala. Yes, so it is not included in number. So when you will give waqf, you will stop at the end. You will not you will not apply number, but you will apply qalqala. And remember, there are two letters under this tashdid of ta. So there are two letters, which are these. Explain here because here is space. Okay, first one is up, up with sukoon. The second is which one? Yes, with fatha. Okay, so you will not apply qalqalahu over here, but you will not apply qalqala. So I'll give cross. Not. No, don't apply qalqala over here, even though you find it with sukoon. But this is the rule of tashdid. When you are giving waqf on the tashdid, you are not applying qalqala on the first ta, but here you will apply shidda. Shidda. And shidda the quality. It's not shadda. Okay, this is a sifa of ta, which you are applying. Like you are closing the makhraj very strongly. This is a shidda. Shidda. This is what shidda called. This is a quality. This is a sifa. Sifa of ta. This is a sifa of ta. Shidda. So you are closing the makhraj of ta very firmly up, and then you are creating qalqala at the end, at the last ta, where you are giving waqf and you're giving sakoon at the end. At to, at to. Okay, so you're applying qalqala, not number. At ti, at to, at to. This is heavy and it is getting qalqala when you are giving waqf. At to, at to. Okay. The is not among noon and meme and not among qalqala letters. So you are applying number, and number will be applicable when you will give sakoon, not in continuation. Okay, continuation is Allah. You will give rakhawa over here. Okay, make sure you give rakhawa because this is among rakhawa letters. Allah. Now, when you are given bucks, then you will activate this number. Ow, ow, ow. And don't drop rakhawa. Even you are applying number over here, the rakhawa will not be dropped. Ow, ow. Again, there will be number when you will give sukoon at the end, and it is a tawassut letter, so tawassut will be applied very clearly. Ah, 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 ah. This is a rafawa letter, so you will apply rafawa, and when you will give waqf, then you will give naba. So right now, Allah. Now you give naba. Allah. 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 This rafawa will not be dropped. Then there will be hams at the end. Hams at the end, because fa is among hams letter, and you will, okay, right now, when you are stopping at it, then you will create number over here. F, hams will be there. F, 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 F. Then this is qalqala letter. So what you will do? You will apply qalqala other than number. Number will not be applied here. Aqqa, aqqa, aqqi, aqqu, 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 akka, ak. This is hums. You will give hums when you will stop at the end, and you will give number in between, because this is not among noon and meme and qalqala letters. So you will give what you will do. Yes, hums at the end. Akka, ak, akki, ak, akku, ak, alla, al, alli, al. There will be tawassut at the end, because this is among lam, amar, lin, amar are the 5 letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, then they will get tawassut. And you are going to apply number when you will give waqf. Ali, with continuation, there are not much thing to do. But when you are given waqf, yes, you have to apply a lot of things. Ali, al, allu, al. Now, mim and noon, no, you will not give number, but you will give kunna, very clear kunna. And these 2 letters, whenever you are saying in continuation or you are stopping on it. Amma, ammi, ammu, anna, anni, annu, okay. So yes, you can clear my drawings. Clear all these. Okay. So wow. So wow, yes, you will give number even you're saying in continuation or stopping at it, because wow and noon, wow and ya, whenever these are with tashdid, you are applying number whatever. So aw, 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 we, aw, aw, aw. So this is Rakhawa. It will get Rakhawa. And you will give number when you will give Sakun. Right now. Now. He. Who. It will get number when you are stopping at it or you are joining it. Ay, ay, ya, ay, yi, ay, you, ay. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. So before closing this recording, I will repeat those rules again. Number is mostly with waqf. So number is related to waqf. Whenever you are giving waqf, then you have to stop and think whether I have to apply this number or not. So what are the conditions you're not applying number? Are only 2. Gunna huruf, those are noon and mim with tashdid, and huruf qalqala with tashdid when you are giving waqf on them. Okay, sorry. Okay, so with tashdid And when you are giving stop, when you are giving waqf at the end. Okay? So number is mostly related to the waqf. Stop. And when these are applied mostly when any letter with tashdid and you're giving stop at the end, yes, you will apply number. Any letter with tashdid, whenever you are stopping on it, then you are applying number other than these two categories. Okay? And waw and ya, whenever you will find with tashdid, even if they are with sukoon or without sukoon, you are giving buff on them or without buff, you are applying number on them. So other conditionals number, inshallah, we will be discussing them in other page, inshallah. Okay, subhanakallahumma rabbana wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.